Hello everybody, my name is V. Pawan Kumar. I am from ECEC. My roll number is 20bq1a04i5. Today I am going to discuss about introduction of strings. First of all, what is a string? A string is any sequence of characters enclosed in the double quotes. For example, this is C string. It is string because it enclosed between the double quotes, and we had to remember a point that a string always ends with a null character. Null character means this \0. If a string ends with if a character array of characters ends with \0, then it's known as string. Then declaration of string variable. How a string variable can be declared? Character string followed by the string name, and which is followed by square brackets in which the size is assigned. And then how to initialization of a string variable. A string variable can be initialized when they can be declared, just like if we see this example, we in the declaration line, within the declaration line we had initialized the string. In this type we can initialize a string variable. And then if we see the library functions of string, which are string handling functions. First of all, we use the header file string.h, and now we see the string handling functions. First, string length, which is strlen, used to find the length of the string. strcpy, which is used to copy one string to another string. strcmp, which compares two strings. And strcat, concatenates of two strings. Then first we discuss about strlen, which means the length of string. The function strlen used to find the length of the given string. The general form is length equals to strlen, within the parentheses we write the string name, which may be str or any other. For example, if we take a character string of 80 equals to Pawan, here there are 5 characters. To find the number of characters, we use a strlen function. Within the strlen, with the parenthesis, we write the string name. Here what is the string name? strlen of str. Then the output would be 5, because PAVAN, this array of characters consists of 5 characters. We had to note a point that strlen not counts the null character. We have to remember this. The strlen will not count the null character. If we see an example program, a program to find the string length. First hash include stdio.h, string.h. These two are the header files which include in our function. Then we declare the string, which is char str of 20, and then we assign then we initialize the I value, and we initialize the length primarily as 0. Then printf, enter the first string, which is the print statement. It asks us to enter our first string, and this used to read the input. And then as I mentioned above, strlen, within the parenthesis we should write the string name given. So str length of str, then the length should be printed. Then the output would be enter the first string. If we enter Pawan, then the length of the string is 5, likewise. And then the second function is strcpy, which is string copy. The function strcpy used to copy the content of one string to other. We initialize the strings in string copy like in this form: str copy, within the parenthesis we initialize the names, we gives the names of two strings. For suppose, if you see an example, character of string 80 good, character of string 280 night. If these two are the strings, if we use the string copy, then After the execution of above statement, the content in the str2 will copied to the content in str1. If we see the program, here also it is printf enter the first string, we enter the string as good, and enter the second string, we enter the second string as night. Before copying it, str1 contains good and str1 is night. After copying, str is night, str1 is night, because the str1 which consists of night is copied to str. And then next function is strcmp, which is string compare. It compares two strings. The format for this is strcmp. Within the parenthesis we write string 1 and string 2, which are the names of the given strings. If we initialize two strings with the ram, here the characters are same and the number of elements are same, so the comparison string will show that these two are equal. And for this, the number of elements are same, but the ASCII values are different, so they are not equal. And then if we see the next statement, strcat, function strcat is used to join two strings. If we input any two strings, str1 or str2, and we use the strcat function, then it combines the two strings. If generally we take string 1 as good and string 2 as night, by using the strcat function, these two strings combined into the string 1 and the output will be good night, just like this. So all of you, thank you friends for listening my seminar. Thank you.